Winston, and Maryland and Yen. I can shed ceol in this flower in a mill.
Colúneach go Bunaíodh, go Féile Alá Bazicha, Beir Chuchan.
Agus go Kinchas a Tagrian Saner. Is Yevian the main black lover, I guess catch.
Hey, Tilliog na Gran and Lomha Faste. Agus Folk Mór na Choilje, and an Glór, Féile. Here comes I, the captain of the play, with a merry pack of fools to perform for you today. Room, my gallant lads, give us room to rhyme, and we'll show you some activity this happy festive time. Active youth, active age, never acted on a stage. And if you don't believe a word I say, here's a tune to help clear the way. Do you believe a word of that?
No!
Well, here comes St. Patrick and he'll clear the way.
Here comes I, St. Patrick, with me armour shine and bright. Once I was a noble champion, now I'm a worthy knight. From under the court, I hear no laughter, 'cause I cut them down on the field of slaughter. Do you believe a word of that?
No!
Well, I'll sing a song and maybe that'll clear the way. Sin prúir na mission na masha, sin prúir na masha ban Patrick. Sin prúir na masha, sin ban pan agava culture. Arahan go galif, arahan go galif, amhlaidh. Arahan go galif, arahan go galif, Patrick. Sin prúir na masha. Show me the man who dare to stand, and will come down with me courageous hand.
I'm the man that before dares you stand, and though your courage be so great, with my sword I will make you shake and make the earls and the dukes to quake.
You, sir?
Thee, sir,
You're only a wee boy.
I'm the Turkish champion. I came from Turkey land to fight the great St. Patrick, for I do know your name. I will cut you and I will slay you, and I'll send you out to Turkey. And when all of that is done, I'll fight every man in Christendom.
Well, take out your sword and try something.
I will, sir.
Hey, stop! What's that big roundy thing in the air?
Aye.
They say dad's the hardest thing in Latin. About 10.
Oh, Patrick, what have you done? You've got to kill my only son.
Well, he challenged me to a fight, something that I have never refused. And you know what? I'm coming 4 quarters when he's on the ground down here.
You come in 4 quarters And your body is...
Well, let me call him 5 quarters here.
Doctor, is there a doctor? Is there a doctor? Oh, 10 pounds for a doctor. Is there a doctor? Can be fine. To cure my son of his terrible wound. Get up, you sing a song.
Oh, dead man, sing a song, for God's sakes.
God, there's no peace around here even for a dead man. Oh, Jimmy McCarr, Cogabar and the Hina, Gay, Stamping a Kaki, Milister, a Hanakia, Walla, their bloody Paratia, Rahalada Vanbug, Stampy a Simmer, Rahalada Vanbug, a Vanbug, a Vanbug, Rahalada Vanbug, Stampy a Simmer, Rahalada Vanbug, a Vanbug, a Vanbug, Rahalada Vanbug, Stampy a Simmer.
Excuse me, are you finished?
Aye.
Here comes the Dr. Brown, the greatest doctor in this town. Anyway, this town.
Well, what can you cure?
Oh, I can cure the plague within and the plague without, the palsy and the gout. I can do what do you call it, ringworm and the skitters and oh yes, I can do any pain but the windy pain.
And what's your medicine?
Well, there's hens, pens, and peasy weasy, bumblebees' eggs, and midge's bacon, stirred around with a greyhound feather, all mixed together in a mouse's blather. Oh, and of course, balloons.
Oh,
Yes, but you have to give me a hand here.
me?
Yes. Hold on.
I killed him.
No, wait a minute, second here. Hello? Hello, what happened to me?
Hello, doctor.
What's wrong with me?
I'm dead.
Ooh, that sounds serious.
I'm dead from the tips of my toe to the top of my head.
Well, hold on, I get you back again. Now, we'll see it. Here. Put that in your mouth there, put that in your mouth. Right, pat it now. Here for you to do. See, when you punch. Wait. Push down. Listen up. Push down. Well, you broke my pumpkin. We'll never get him back. You ready? Broke those down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you go. You keep going on there. Just leave the scaler. Leave it. This here's the scaler. This here I'm going to have to stick it in this somewhere. My God, where would you put this here? Oh, hey, I'll try that.
All right, good. Once I was dead, and now I'm alive. God bless the wee doctor that made me revive. And if you don't believe a word I say, here's a tune to clear the way. And if you don't believe a word of that, here comes Big Belly Dead, and he will clear the way.
Here come I, big belly Ned. If you can't give me money, give me some of your bread. For we're the boys that will have some fun. If you give me a slice of your festive bun, a cup of tea, and a slice of cheese, and you can tickle my belly if you please. When I was young, I was not well fed, but now they call me Big Belly Ned. Do you believe a word of that?
No.
Well, here's a wee song to clear the way.
once I go again. Sarah let me pretty good dance, just stole my heart away. The beats they are skip was white to snow. She is the diamond of my heart, right in this winter road. I bid yous all good evening, to the parents I must go. To see if they will have me, or if the answers no. I'm sure you'll treat me kindly, like last they surely will. We'll bring a toast to the bright year, the word of the I was so along down the north side of Glengarry. Sarah let me pretty good dances for the line of the day. They are like roses, sitting white as snow. She is the diamond of the heart, right in the street we rode. I was so along the town the north side of Glengarry. Sarah let me pretty good dances for my heart away. Her cheeks they are like roses, sitting white as snow. She is the diamond of the heart.
And if you don't believe a word of that, do you?
No.
Here's the Shanachie with a little scale, a little story.
Chita corca, chur the store. I want my female scholar agus dúchan muncholum, no killer beacon. Agus the mail warms a goma, agus killer children. Oh, I want my nearly the beacon. Ah, store. Niet to kill the harrigan. Oh, no. Johnny to kill the hesperus no tahi. Oh, Lily, come on, I'm keeping out in Tamshin. Nor we two who grillish na baka, a grown a mock. I was giving them a moment. I guess we two just a clubber. I guess we two cludy the clubber. Oh, club shanty to do salad. Oh, I was giving them a moment. I guess we na mock a leg guide phone. I guess a magu phone because I oh, Niani machineries could you? A store. Shinagate. Oh, I guess on Kevin the washing a lamb to Nigana, a jack and some skins and all. Oh, it's coming up the way. We want flop watching. We to flop a cracking. I guess we am called the illness of chin confluxion, not chocolate shoe, what is good? Oh, I guess we again and like a guy because we should have spoken with some of us. Oh, Niani machineries. Shinagate store. Kill Johnny. Oh, chun. Agus, people at the washing. No, fuel to a collie. Agus, we just sus or a couple. Agus, hit the sheesh. Agus, go to the dragon that I tell you. Oh, it's Kevin on the mind. Agus, we a collision. A guy, we a tree guy here. Agus, we shall magu was 100 foot. Oh, Niani machine reached the woman. Shanagate store. Kill Johnny. My who, oh, she's proud of me, and this go some mahasugru, take a your cage, Johnny, or get them tamil chop. What do you slang for your story? Slang, go to my get the woman, slang. More walking.
And if you don't believe a word of that, here comes Cromwell, and he cleared the way.
Here comes I, Sir Oliver Cromwell. As you may suppose. I conquered many's a nation with me long and copper nose. I caused me enemies to tremble and my foes to quake, sure I beat me own choppets. You're no longer fit to speak. Now, I shut the devil through reel, through nail spin reel, through a horseshoe cocker, through a bag of pepper. Such a man was never known. You believe a word of that?
No.
No.
Well, it's a wee song that'll clear the way. And this your hot and powdery shade of a haven ballin where the bay are glass as the bay and yeah, but the bite of that, the shed of murder. It's the jip that is guided. Oh, shade of a walla, oh, shade of a walla, oh, shade of a walla. And this your hot and powdery granuel like chapter side your holy arm and lick your card as killing in me fucking us by it's her ship plain our guide. Oh, shit of a walla, oh, shit of a walla, oh, shit of a walla. And this your hot and powdery, a wheel arena back of the gun. On the wind gone, shot in the granuel, comes me the gosh, yeah. Hey, forwards find the guide. Oh, shit of a walla, oh, shit of a walla, oh, shit of a walla. And Mr. Hot and Powdery, oh, shit of a walla, oh, shit of a walla, oh, shit of a walla. And Mr. Hot and Powdery. Do you believe a word of that?
No.
Well, here comes the rain. The rain will clear the way.